beautiful. I've already bought.
Yeah, no problem.
So tomorrow I'll come.
Yeah, no problem. Video.
Good, good. Beautiful.
Gana. Huh?
They're very beautiful.
Yeah.
This one.
Very big.
I've not seen like that one.
You see this one?
Ah.
That one is very big. That one is very big.
Boss? Boss? You can cancel. I want you to add more. You now have 17, right? Because you are not supposed to see any right, so I had to go through all of them. You're not supposed to see like this. Let me show you. See this one. You see this? See green stuff. That is the alimentary canal. You see when we eat them, huh?
So now you wash them, make sure they're very clean,
It's okay. No,
and
you
remove the alimentary canal, the intestines, because you know they feed on sand. So if you don't remove that, you can be sure you're going to chew some sand. Salt,
And black pepper only.
black pepper only.
That's enough.
Then you mix
That's done. Margarine.
the normal cooking oil.
No. This is butter shrimp. See? If you look at this, it's white, huh? Alright. All of them, they will turn almost. Yeah, white, yeah. Put them in lemon.
Add some lemon juice for flavor, as much as you want. You keep on stirring.
So I'm still there.
Okay.
So when it's like this now,
Okay.
you can allow it to cook in lemon. Cook in lemon. This way now, they're like simmering.
Yeah.
They will be absorbing the juice now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you cover?
No, you can cover, it's okay, no problem. So you allow them, because this is medium heat. This is medium heat. You always cook shrimp in medium heat. Yeah.
Okay.
So you want them to
Brown.
No, this one, as it is there now, okay. Shouldn't go not brown.
Oh, they
Just
want
changes,
brown.
it just changes color.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
from white it changes color to pinkish.
All right.
That is it. That's
From
it.
white to pinkish. Okay.
The body is whitish, then it changes. We see it changing color to pinkish. That is
They're cooked.
They're cooked.
They're done. All right.
So you cook them. Right now they are absorbing juice. They put them now.
The lemon juice.
Yes.
Yeah. You don't add water.
You don't want to add water.
Good.
So what you need, because you are cooking them in lemon, yeah, because this is garlic lemon butter shrimp. Yeah,
Garlic, lemon,
butter shrimp.
butter shrimp. Okay.
So you have the lemon. The next thing is you increase the butter. The last butter now.
Okay. It was off. Yeah, you add some.
Yeah, this one is too much. It's enough like this.
Wow. I cannot wait to taste. They must be very yummy. Accompaniment? Anything you want? Rice?
Mostly
Wedges?
when it's like this, the best is risotto.
Risotto?
Yeah, risotto or brown rice. Yeah.
Okay.
Best.
Oh, good.
But you can also use wedges.
Wedges.
Yeah.
Ugali? Sasa?
No.
Wow.
This is a Western dish.
Okay. Yeah, we have been Western.
Western Asian dish.
Western Asian dish.
Yeah. This one is not synonymous with
but anyone can eat.
yeah.
Great. Done. Voila.